something. Hindi pa natin alam kasi hindi naman ni-release yung buong GAA. So we can theorize, we can only consider the fact na DepEd, SUCs, CHED at TESDA lang ang ibinibilang. Dapat. Pero dinagdagan nila ng PMA, PNPA, PSHS at marami pang iba. There's a large bawas. Makikita natin na malaki ang bawas sa Department of Education's budget to the venerated 1.055 trillion na, closing the already tight differential with the DPWH's budget of around 1.007 trillion pesos. A single agency laban sa education sector. So, again, we ask the same thing. Is it in the spirit? Is it true? Is it compliance? Or is it malicious compliance? So Article 14, Section 5, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution that states that the state shall assign the highest budgetary priority to education. Diba? Ang isa pang malala dyan, ayon rin sa nasaliksik ni GC Punong Bayan, sinama pa sa kalkulasyon ng budget ng mga education infrastructure na dapat ay under DPWH. Napunta sa education sector yung mga yon. Kung ibabawas mo pa yung salary increase of 60 billion pesos, hindi hamak na mas malaki ang totoong budget ng DPWH kaysa education sector kasi tinanggal mo na nga yung dapat under DPWH na pagpapagawa ng classroom at education infrastructure, nilagay mo sa burden ng DepEd